Today's video will open your eyes when it comes to manifestation. You will know why people got results by following the mental diet, and how it will help you turn your desires into reality. You will know the importance of persistence when it comes to manifestation. I manifested lots of things, and I will help you too with this video. Once you understand this, everything will work in your favor when it comes to manifesting. Recently, I planted a seed in my garden. I was consistent in watering it. It got sufficient sunlight and nutrients, and it started growing. It became a little sapling, but after some days, I noticed its leaves turning white. When I saw it, I opened YouTube and searched for the causes, and I found out that there are some red spider mites that are causing trouble, and if no action is taken, it may kill the plant. Looking at all of this, I realized how everything is related to everything else. This experience of mine fits perfectly into understanding why it is essential to follow a mental diet and persist in your affirmations. So, you might have heard that you have to affirm and persist in the state of a wish fulfilled to manifest the reality that you want to experience. By keeping the above example in mind, you can say that whatever you want, your desired reality, the idea you have about your desire is just like a seed that you have to plant in your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is just like the soil, which does not differentiate between the seeds, whether you place a seed of a marigold flower, a rose, an eggplant, or even a ladyfinger. It accepts it and gives you the plant you desire. Like this, your subconscious mind realizes your desire. It does not differentiate whether you want to live a healthy life or an awful life. It does not differentiate between a happy life and a sad life. Just like the seed, whatever you present to it gets accepted by the subconscious mind and manifests in your reality. You present it by feeling a state. If you want health, you feel healthy. If you want to be joyful, you feel the joy. If you want wealth, you feel as if you are wealthy. Whatever idea you have in mind about wealth, just experience it in the present moment. As you experience it right now, you plant the seed in your subconscious. Now, like the seed requires water and sunlight consistently to become a beautiful plant, your desires require the state of a wish fulfilled to manifest them in your reality. You do this by revisiting the state of the wish being fulfilled and staying there multiple times so it becomes a dominant state within you. It is because a seed or a sapling requires your attention to transform into a tree, and after getting the required attention, it becomes a tree, and then its roots automatically go deep in the soil and fetch the required amount of groundwater from there. So, revisiting your state of wishes fulfilled and experiencing them is just like watering the sapling until it becomes a dominant state and manifests itself in your reality on its own. Now that you know how the manifestation process works, now comes the most important part that will show you why a mental diet is necessary when it comes to manifestation. Well, as I presented you with a scenario from my life, the example that I gave you where red spider mites attacked the sapling and turned its leaves white because the plant is not that powerful that it can protect itself against it. Like the red spider mites attack the plant, the opposite ideas will attack your state of having your wish fulfilled. You have to turn away from them as soon as you notice them because, if you get involved with them, you will start acting in the opposite manner. So, like I used an insecticide to remove the red spider mites that will eventually kill them, you can use your mental diet when you are having opposite thoughts. These negative thoughts can be overcome by following a mental diet in which you turn away from them and think as if you already have got your desire. This is where mental diet comes in, and this is why mental diet is necessary to overcome the negative thought pattern. In the initial days, just like when the plant is growing and requires care, your desire to manifest also requires some care to manifest. That's why it is essential to focus on the desired state in the initial day. It is a very crucial stage as you are changing your self-identity. Your past identity will try to overpower you. Suppose you are manifesting wealth, and the concepts you held were of poverty. The moment you start changing them by affirming and visualizing, you will start experiencing the new state of being. When you come out of your visualization sessions, your mind, due to its old programming, will give you ideas about the old self-concepts that manifested poverty. These ideas that you are getting are the opposite of your wish being fulfilled and are just like the red spider mites. Using insecticide is just like following a mental diet to overcome this old state of being and transform yourself into a better state. This life is all about changing states. You change your state every moment. Daily, you experience multiple states. The one you choose to stay in determines your reality. So, don't let your negative mindset or your limiting mindset stop you from having what you desire. Your current reality is just a set of ideas that you accepted as true a long time ago, but now you have forgotten that you choose them. Now is the time to change them. Now is the time to take control over them. Now is the time to set new goals and manifest them. Now is the time to feel your wishes being fulfilled. You only change in the eternal now, in the present moment. The past and future do not exist. When it was the past, it was the present moment. When it will be the future, it will be the present moment only. So, just feel the joy right now that you will experience when you fulfill your desire. Live from the end state of having your desire. Live your life as a king or queen, whatever you desire. Live kindly, live confidently, and live fully. With this, I hope you had a tremendous experience. Subscribe if you wish to see more videos like this. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.